two. Learning the colors. Learning the colors. No, learning.
Where's your other blankie?
Where is the bucket? Where is the bucket?
I don't know. Where'd you put it? Where'd your hand go? Where's your hand? There it is.
Where's bucket? Where's bucket?
Not sure.
Sure. A jewelry bag and a jewelry.
That's Mama's picture.
That's Mama's picture.
Yeah, this is some of my stuff.
Myself.
You say, happy birthday?
Where's the bucket? Where's the bucket?
You learned a new word today, birthday.
Birthday.
Very good.
Where's the bucket?
I don't know.
There's a pocket.
There's Finley.
There's a pocket.
Oh, you have a pocket in your dress? Let's see.
There's a bucket.
Wow. Your hand went in there? Pockets are nice.